And welcome back to challenge number 29. So let's take a look at the challenge and we'll go from there. So this time we're going to evaluate if 12 is less than 9. So again, these are coding challenges and not math challenges. So again, we're going to store our numbers in variables, display the instructions to the screen, and then use the appropriate decision code to make that happen. This time out, again, I'm looking to move us slowly forward. So right now, our flow chart is going to change a little bit. Let's take a look. So in all actuality, when we started using the if-else structure, that if something were to occur, do something, if not, do something else. But my flow chart I was keeping because I was looking for a very specific output because we knew that if we were to evaluate something as true, it would print true. That was the expected output. And I wanted our students to know that if this were to be the code structure, that this is going to be the expected output. Or if we coded something that we knew was false, and when we put it into the code, it would evaluate that expression and the computer would print out the output that it was false. But what is really occurring is that the computer at this point is really evaluating that situation, that expression, and making the decision, this or this. So if this, and if there is code to execute after that, then fine. If there's no code to execute after that, then it's not going to do anything. And I've already kind of gave that example, displayed that in a previous tutorial, and we're going to do that again. But in the flow chart, then we need to ensure that students know that if this is true, we're going to do something on one side of the flow chart, or if this is false, we'll do something else. Now, in this regards, right now we're simply going back to the display output and say, we'll display the output. Okay, and that's really all we're doing. As we learn to expand our code, we'll see that we can do different things with those specific outputs. But right now we're just displaying something to the screen. Okay, so take a look at the flowchart and the code, and let's take a look at the code structure. So 12 less than 9, and again, I'm putting my variables inside my print statement only because we want to ensure that we're using our variables and not the specific numbers that they represent, because those numbers can change. As we've been doing, we've been changing those numbers all along. Okay, so this time is 12 less than 9. It should be false. Let's find out. Yay, it's false. Okay, so with that being said, we know that was going to be false. We just wanted to see it work. I'll see you next time. Take care.